नमस्कार, मैं सुगन सिंह स्पष्ट दृष्टिकोण टीम की तरफ से आपका हार्दिक स्वागत अभिनंदन करता हूँ। दिस इज आवर फिफ्थ लेक्चर ऑन वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट एंड डिस्पोजल एंड इन दिस lecture I shall going to solve numericals on biochemical oxygen demand. So let's start. In this question we have been asked to calculate the 5-day BOD of wastewater. 5 ml, 10 ml and 50 ml wastewater sample were diluted to 300 ml and incubated for 5 days at 20 degrees Celsius. Observations were recorded and mentioned in a table. So let's solve this question. In this question, for 5 ml initial DO was 9.2 mg per liter and final DO was 6.9 mg per liter. For 10 ml sample, initial DO was 9.1 and final DO was 4.4. For 50 ml, initial DO was 8.0 and final DO was 0. When we perform BOD in a lab, then we can easily express the BOD as DO initial minus DO final into dilution factor, where BOD T at T degrees Celsius is nothing but BOD value after T days of incubation period at T degrees Celsius. DOI is the initial DO of wastewater in milligram per liter. DOF is final DO of wastewater in milligram per liter. DF is the dilution factor. This dilution factor can be given as A plus B divided by A. A is the volume of wastewater in milliliter. B is the volume of clear water used for dilution. A plus B is the volume of diluted water in milliliter. From BOD equation it is clearly understood that BOD is nothing but oxygen consumed for the oxidation of biodegradable organic impurities. Remember, whenever we say standard BOD, then it means BOD is calculated for 5 days at 20 degrees Celsius. Now, for 5 ml sample, DO consumed will be initial DO minus final DO, that is 9.2 minus 6.9, which is 2.3. For 10 ml sample, DO consumed will be 9.1 minus 4.4, which comes out to be 4.7. For 50 ml sample, DO consumed can be calculated as 8.4 minus 0, which is 8.4. Now let's calculate the dilution factor for each sample. Here A plus B is the volume of diluted wastewater, which is in this case is 300 ml. For 5 ml sample, dilution factor is 300 divided by 5, which comes out to be 60. For 10 ml sample, dilution factor is 300 divided by 10, which is 30. And for 50 ml sample, dilution factor would be 300 divided by 50, which is 6. Put this value and calculate the respective BOD of the sample. BOD for 5 ml diluted sample is 2.3 multiplied by 60 is 138. For 10 ml sample, it is 4.7 multiplied by 30 is 141. And for 50 ml sample, it is 8.4 multiplied by 6 is 50.4. Now, we have checked the DO of sample after 5 days of incubation period. So we exactly don't know when DO is completely consumed. It may consumed before the incubation period itself. We can say it may consumed after 1 day, 2 day, 2.5 days, 3 day, 4 day of incubation period. But we have calculated it after 5 days. So we exactly don't know when DO becomes 0. Hence we will going to neglect the BOD value for the 50 ml diluted sample. Hence we will going to consider only two values, that is 138 and 141. Hence average BOD become the average of these two values, which can be written as 138 plus 141 divided by 2, which comes out to be 139.5 mg per liter. Next, in question number 2, 5-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius is given to us, which is 150 mg per liter, and reaction rate constant to the base E at 20 degrees Celsius is 0.35 per day. We need to calculate the ultimate BOD. 4 options are given to us. We have to select the correct answer. Now, we know that BOD T at T degrees Celsius is equal to L 1 minus E to the power KT. Here incubation period is 5 days and temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Therefore, BOD 5 at 20 degrees Celsius can be written as L bracket 1 minus E to the power K. K in this case is 0.35 into T. T is the incubation period, which is 5 days. Hence, BOD 5 at 20 degrees Celsius is equal to L. L is the ultimate BOD that we need to calculate in this case. Bracket 1 minus This value can easily be calculated by use of scientific calculator, which is 0.1737. Put this value 150 is equal to L bracket 1 minus 0.1737 is 0.8262. Now we can easily calculate the ultimate BOD, which is L is equal to 181.5 milligram per liter. In question number 3, 5-day BOD of wastewater is X percentage of ultimate BOD, where X is. Out of these 4 options, we have to select the correct answer. We can understand this with the help of the graph between oxygen consumption versus time. In this graph, x-axis indicate the time in days, where y-axis indicate the oxygen consumption or organic matter concentration in milligram per liter. At time t is equal to 0, this is the ultimate BOD. Now after 5 days of incubation period, here is the 5-day BOD, and which is approximately 68% of ultimate BOD. After 10 days of incubation period, this is the BOD. So this 10-day BOD is approximately 90% of ultimate BOD. So from this we can say C is the correct answer. 5-day BOD of wastewater is 68% of ultimate BOD. In question number 4, 5-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius is 200 mg per liter. K value to the base E is given as 0.2 per day. Ultimate BOD we need to calculate. This question is same as question number 2. Here BOD 5 day at 20 degrees Celsius can be expressed as L bracket 1 minus E to the power KT. Now this value is given to us, which is 200 mg per liter. 200 mg per liter is equal to L. L is the ultimate BOD that we need to calculate. Bracket 1 minus E to the power K. K here is 0.2. T is 5. Therefore 200 is equal to L bracket 1 minus this value can easily be calculated by scientific calculator, which is 0.3678. Again 200 is equal to L. 1 minus 0.3678 is 0.6321. Therefore L is equal to 316.39 mg per liter. Hence the correct answer is D. Next, in question number 5, our wastewater is diluted to 100 times with aeration water. Initial DO was 7 mg per liter. After 5 days of incubation period at 20 degrees Celsius, DO was 0. What is the BOD? Now this question is very simple. Experimentally, BOD can be expressed as BOD is equal to initial DO minus final DO into dilution factor. Here dilution factor is 100 because wastewater is diluted to 100 times. Put this value and you will get the answer. BOD is equal to, here initial DO is 7 minus final DO is 0 multiplied by dilution factor is 100. So you will get the answer of 700 mg per liter. But this is not the correct answer. Reason is that we calculate final DO after 5 days of incubation period, which is 0. So we exactly do not know when DO get completely consumed. It may consumed before 5 days. Hence the correct answer is D. DO cannot be estimated. Moving to next question, biochemical oxygen demand is a measure of. So there are 4 options given to us. To come up with the correct answer, let's discuss the definition. BOD is the total oxygen required by microbes to decompose biodegradable organic matter at a specific temperature after a specific period of time. Therefore, when we say BOD, we mean biodegradable organic matter. Hence, C is the correct answer. Next, question number 7. Rapid test to indicate the pollution status of a river water. Out of 4 options, C is the correct answer because BOD took approximately 5 days to get the result. COD took at least 2 to 2.5 hours to get the result. However, DO took 1 to 5 minutes to come up with the result. Whereas MPN is used for the microbes. Here, C is the correct answer. Next question. The deoxygenation coefficient of river stream is 0.3 per day at 20 degrees Celsius. We have to find the value of K at 32 degrees Celsius. In this, we shall be using empirical equation to get the answer. K at any temperature is equal to K at standard temperature, that is 20 degrees Celsius multiplied by temperature coefficient to the power T minus 20. Remember, temperature coefficient at 20 degrees Celsius is 1.047. Therefore, KT is equal to K20 multiply by 1.047 to the power t minus 20. It can be modified as k at 32 degrees Celsius is equal to value of k 20 is 0.3, which is given to us, multiply by 1.047. Here t is 32 degrees Celsius, so 32 minus 20, again 0.3 bracket 1.047 to the power 32 minus 20 is 12. So we come up with the answer 0.5205 per day. In question number 9, COD of wastewater is 300 mg per liter. Ultimate BOD of wastewater is 87% of COD. Reaction rate constant K is 0.23 per day. Temperature coefficient is given as 1.047 and we need to find the 3-day BOD at 27 degrees Celsius. Let's extract the data given in the question. COD of wastewater is 300 mg per liter. Ultimate BOD of wastewater is 87% of COD. That means 0.87 times of 300, which comes out to be 261 mg per liter. K is 0.23 per day. Temperature coefficient is 1.047. Now we have to calculate the 3-day BOD at 27 degrees Celsius. When temperature is not mentioned for K value, then assume K is given for standard temperature, that is 20 degrees Celsius. But we have to find 3-day BOD at 27 degrees Celsius. Hence we required K value at 27 degrees Celsius. For this we know that K at any temperature is equal to K at standard temperature multiplied by temperature coefficient to the power t minus 20. Therefore K at 27 degrees Celsius is equal to, here K20 is given to us, which is 0.23, multiplied by, here temperature coefficient is again given to us, which is 1.047 to the power t is 27 degrees Celsius, here minus 20. So this comes out to be 0.23 bracket 1.047 to the power 7, which is 0.3172. Now BOD can be represented as L bracket 1 minus e to the power minus kt. Here L is the ultimate BOD, which is 261 bracket 1 minus e to the power k. K value is 427 degrees Celsius because we are finding the BOD for 27 degrees Celsius, which is 0.3172. Here t is the incubation period, which is 3. So this is 261 bracket 1 minus e to the power minus 0.3172 multiplied by 3. This value can easily be calculated by the scientific calculator, which comes out to be 0.386. Therefore 261 bracket 1 minus 0.386. 1 minus 0.386 is 0.6136. Therefore 261 multiplied by 0.6136, which is 160 mg per liter. Therefore 3-day BOD at 27 degrees Celsius is 160 mg per liter. In question number 10, we have been given the ratio of 5-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius to ultimate BOD is 0.68 and we have been asked to calculate the reaction rate constant. Now 5-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius can be written as ultimate BOD bracket 1 minus e to the power minus kt. T in this case is 5. Now shift L to left hand side, so we get this ratio BOD 5 at 20 degrees Celsius divided by L, which is 0.68. Hence 0.68 is equal to 1 minus e to the power minus k into 5. Therefore 0.68 is equal to 1 minus e to the power minus 5k. It can be written as e to the power minus 5k is equal to 0.32. Now apply natural log. We get minus 5k is equal to minus 1.139. Therefore we get k is equal to 0.227. It can also be written at 0.23 per day. In question number 11, 3-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius is given to us, which is 200 mg per liter. Reaction rate constant is 0.22 per day and we have to find 5-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius. Now 3-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius is 200 mg per liter and which can be written as ultimate BOD bracket 1 minus e to the power minus kt. Here k is 0.22 and t is the incubation period, which is 3 days. Therefore 200 is equal to L bracket 1 minus e to the power minus 0.22 into 3. This can be calculated by the scientific calculator, which is 0.5168. 1 minus 0.5168 is 0.4831. Therefore 200 is equal to L multiplied by 0.4831. From here we can find the ultimate BOD 413.95 mg per liter. This ultimate BOD remains constant and will be same for the 5-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius. So 5-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius is equal to L 1 minus e to the power minus kt. Here put value of the ultimate BOD which is 413.95 bracket 1 minus e to the power k. Here k is same because we are calculating the 5-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius and k value is given for 20 degrees Celsius. T is 5 which is the incubation period. Therefore 413.95 multiplied by 0.667 which comes out to be 276 mg per liter. Hence 5-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius is 276 mg per liter. In question number 12 we have been given 2-day BOD which is 100 mg per liter and 4-day BOD which is 155 mg per liter. Here temperature is not mentioned, hence we shall assume standard temperature that is 20 degrees Celsius for both 2-day BOD and 4-day BOD. Now we shall going to write the BOD equation for both. 2-day BOD which is 100 mg per liter is ultimate BOD minus 1 e to the power minus kt. Here T is the incubation period which is in this case is 2. For 4-day BOD which is 155 mg per liter is equal to ultimate BOD bracket 1 minus e to the power minus kt. Here T in this case is 4. Now divide 2-day BOD by 4-day BOD. LL get cancelled. Here 2-day BOD is 100 mg per liter and 4-day BOD is 155 mg per liter. Therefore we come up with 100 divided by 155 is equal to 1 minus e to the power minus 2k divided by 1 minus e to the power minus 4k. This can also be written as 1 minus e to the power minus 4k divided by 1 minus e to the power minus 2k is equal to 1.55. So after solving this equation we get the value of k which is 0.2989 per day. In question number 13, ultimate BOD of the river water sample is 20 mg per liter. BOD rate constant is given to us which is 0.15 per day. We need to find the BOD in percentage exerted and BOD remaining after 7 days. So out of these 4 options we have to select the correct option. In this question just write the BOD equation which is equal to BOD 7 day at T degrees Celsius is equal to L bracket 1 minus e to the power minus kt. Here ultimate BOD is given to us which is 20 bracket 1 minus e to the power k. K is given to us 0.15 into T. T is the incubation period which is 7. From here we can get the 7-day BOD at 20 degrees Celsius which is coming out to be 13 mg per liter. Now we have to find the percentage of exerted BOD which is 13 divided by 20 multiplied by 100. Here 13 is the BOD after 7 days and 20 is the ultimate BOD or initial BOD at time t is equal to 0. So 13 divided by 20 multiplied by 100 which is 65. So correct answer would be 65 and 35. C is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.